Plug in the power and internet cable. Then turn on the Dock 3. Plug the USB-C cable to the Dock's port to your PC. Now, launch DJI Assistant 2 with your DJI account. Select your device to enter the interface. Once connected, navigate to the Firmware Upgrade section to see a list of available firmware versions for your drone. Please note not to disconnect power, cable, or network during the process. After the update completes, the dock will reboot. Make sure that versions are up to date. Now, let's update the DJI Matrix 4 TD. On updating the aircraft, ensure that the battery is sufficiently charged. Connect the drone to your computer via USB-C cable, then turn on the aircraft. DJI Assistant 2 should recognize your drone. Click on it to access its interface. You'll see the current variant and available updates. Click Upgrade and let it run. Again, please do not disconnect power or USB during the update. Once completed, the drone will restart. Confirm the firmware version matches the latest release. Maintain your drone for optimal performance with DJI Assistant 2. For DJI training content, subscribe to our channel or visit our page. Thanks for watching and fly safely.